Hey, it's Christina with Tinagirl Life, and today on my channel I'm going to show you some of the amazing stuff Ikea has rolled out for the gamers out there. Ikea's gaming line was introduced in September of 2021 in collaboration with Republic of Gamers. This is a really good move for Ikea, as many of us have gamers in our homes, but we still want our spaces to look clean and modern. Let's get right into it, starting with some cool gadgets. Let's start with the Lunspielarem Mug. It comes with a lid and a straw cleaning brush. You can put that mug into the Landspell mug holder that clamps onto your desk, keeping your drinks well away from your expensive equipment. It's made of wood and has a slot for the handle of your mug. All right, next let's have a look at the Lunspielarem Mouse Bungee. Now I noticed that this was a now or never product, so if you need something like this, I would get it soon. The design is meant to keep the mouse cord out of the way when you're playing a game. Ikea is also offering this very cool ring light and phone holder for all of you influencers and streamers out there. The base of the phone holder fits right inside the base of the ring light, and they can be separated if you need your light to come from a different location. It's very cool. I totally love this accessory stand. It's made of wood and can hold things like your headset, your cables, and other gadgets that you want off your desk and tidied away. Ikea also offers a similar product for about half the price, but when I looked at them side by side, this one has a beefed up base and won't fall over like the other one will. In the gaming section, you're also going to find a lot of little gadgets like the Coplight USB chargers. Comes in both single and triple. They also had this very cool smart lock called the Rothold. I'm going to add a link below so you can check this thing out. You can install it on cabinets and use the enclosed key card to open it. It's very unassuming in the package, but when you see it in action, it could be very useful. There are so many gadgets to look at, from cool posters to floor protectors with matching gaming mouse pads, storage pegboards and storage cabinets with the pegboard built into the back wall. They have a CPU stand with casters. There are monitor stands. And another thing that I really liked was this Möjligt headset and tablet stand. It comes in black and white and is made out of metal. It'll keep things on your desktop looking clean and organized. Okay, this made me laugh when I saw it. I'm imagining our basement dwellers here, the ones that are sitting in the dark, they're freezing, and Ikea has created this amazing multifunctional cushion blanket onesie that folds up neatly into a pillow when you're done. It's machine washable, it's cozy, it has zippers, and of course it has a matching neck pillow. The neck pillow offers you some support, it keeps you cozy and warm, and it can be attached to most of the high back gaming and office chairs at Ikea. I love how Ikea has this set up so you can have an idea of the sizing and layout of all the gadgets and things they offer. This is pretty unique and is a great way to add ambiance lighting to your room. It's called the Iskarna LED table lamp. In Canada, it sells for around $30. You can leave it on your favorite color or have it change automatically between 7 different colors. Let's have a look at the gaming chairs available this season. They range in price from $89 Canadian all the way up to $379. Gaming chairs tend to be high-backed with arm support, and the seat height is adjustable, and it'll be on casters. Having the right chair while you game or work at your desk is one of the most important investments you can make. The least expensive chair for $89 offers you all those things and comes with a mesh back support to keep you cool. The higher end Upspale chair, and Upspale actually means group play in Swedish, offers a customizable back, seat, recline angle, tilt, headrest, and the height and horizontal angle of the armrests can be adjusted. They also follow your arm movements during the game by moving back and forth, which relieves strain on your arms and shoulders. The casters have a pressure-sensitive brake mechanism that keeps your chair in place when you stand up and lets go automatically when you sit down. So cool. You can custom fit this chair to your body. It comes in 3 color styles, and in my opinion, it's worth the extra money. If you like the look of leather but not the price, the Utspelare comes in black and gray for under $200. If you like the real thing, you'll want to go with the black leather Upspale, which features a top grain leather. Choosing the right desk for your space is important as well. You want to buy a desk that fits your space well and suits your needs. This desk is called the Freddy. It's kind of an all-in-one gaming desk. It's designed by a gamer. It has built-in CPU supports, cutout cup holders, and also has small side shelves that can be hung on the inside or the outside of the panels. This is a beautiful desk. It's called the Upspale gaming desk. It comes in a few different sizes, and you can also buy just the underframe so you can add your own tabletop if you want to customize your space. You can preset this desk to 4 different height positions. So this is a desk that you can sit or stand at. There's also a built-in USB charger on the side of the height control panel. You can choose to have the tabletop set with the contour cutout at the front, so you can have arm and wrist support, or at the back, creating a space for cables to go. By the way, if you don't live anywhere near an IKEA store, you can still order these products online. We live about 4 hours from the nearest IKEA and have ordered many things from them online. The products have always been quick to arrive and shipping charges have been pretty decent. Hey, be sure to check out the links below in the description that I've added for you, and I would love it if you became one of my subscribers and help me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers on this channel. I also have another channel called Tinagirl Travels that you might want to check out. Hey, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon on Tinagirl Life.